First of all, I would like to hi respect teacher. My name is Siang Long Hua. I'm come from Group 5. Today, I'm going to talk about the group dynamic and team building. These two topics are very important in understanding how people work together effectively inside organization. And for outline in this presentation, we'll first plan what group dynamic mean, then move to type of group, why groups are formed, and the role of relationship and decision making. And the next point, I will talk about the teamwork, how team function, how effective they are, and how organizations can be stronger teams, include cross-functional team, and move to the definitions of group dynamic. Group dynamic is an organization behavior is influenced by the existence of group, which are essential elements in shaping individual needs and motivations, and are not the sum or product of individual behavior. And group dynamics simply means how people's behavior is influenced why they are part of group. It's not just the individual behavior, it's about how individuals interact, motivate each other, and affect overall performance. And move to the next slide. I will explain you type of group. Organizations, organizations typically have formal groups based on position, while informal groups like junior officers are formed through continuous associations with similar attributes and nature. In this type of group, there are two types of group in organization. First, formal group. Formal group which are created by the organization like a department or work unit. And one more, informal groups which form naturally like friendships among colleagues but are important for workplace success. And the next slide, objective of group formation. And group formation is driven by individual needs, satisfaction, physical closeness, share objective, and attraction to group goal as well as financial benefits, facilitating personal and collective growth. In this objective of group formation, why is group formed? Groups are usually formed because people want to satisfy personal needs, be close to others, achieve their goal, or gain financial or growth opportunities. In short, groups make both personal and organizational life easier and will success more and more. And the next slide, leadership of group. Leadership is crucial in both formal and informal group. Formal leaders have the power, while information leaders rely on the factor power. First, I want to explain you formal leaders have office authority while informal leaders can influence naturally. Both types need the right skill and attitude to have growth and success. And the next slide, decision making in group. Decision making is so important in the teamwork because when we decision right or wrong depend on the team member. And autocratic is democratic leader style involve leaders taking decision makings in groups with extreme autocracy. A manager must consider factors like problem complexity, data access, knowledge, attitude, organizational culture, and members' pers- perception of involvement. And group usually make decision making two way. First, a group autocratic. Autocratic is a decision making that leadership and decide everything that they want. And democratic where the member have a concept involved with organization prefer a talent depend on the problem and the culture of the workplace and workshop. And next move to the intergroup relation. Intergroup in a teamwork this behavior can hinder group function, confuse resource and lead the function with leadership, alienation, and contempt for colleges. Therefore, effective teamwork and strategy are crucial for organizational success. An intergroup relationship in a teamwork may individuals excel in individual tasks but struggle as team player. The success of institution rely on effective teamwork and strategy. And people exhibit negative behavior and emotion due to their human nature and socialization. The behavior can hinder group functioning, consume resources, and lead the frustration and with leadership alignment and content for colleges. And move to the intergroup relationship between organization and society. Intergroup dynamic is organization often involve subsystems, but they often exhibit mistrust, conflict information, and misunderstanding. This is due to the win-loss concept, which encourage ensure the other party failure and for success. To promote healthy intergroup dynamic is essential to shift from win-loss to win-win, replace mistrust, conflict, and misunderstanding with trust, cooperation, and understanding. And group dynamic is how come to an end. And next slide move to the team building. Definition of team building have become a satisfaction group phenomenon and in organizations with Fortran company using project team, parallel team, and permanent work team. This article discusses the importance of training such managed team for effective organization. And team building is a process that helps people how to work together and easier to work with them. It's about increasing collaboration, trust, performance through planned activity and training. And the next slide, the nature of team. Team expert distinguish between traditional work group and team based on performance results. Team have a strong leader, share accountability, share purpose, collect works product, action meeting, direct measurement of effectiveness. They also encourage open needs problem solving and the real world. And the nature of team are not the same as traditional group. Teams share accountability, work collectively, solve problems together, and measure effectiveness by results. That makes them stronger. And move to the effectiveness of team. Effectiveness of team some management team have shown positive impact on productivity and team attitude, but face challenges in overcome individual and organization factor. A meta-analysis found that team ineffectiveness is used to and willingness and change practice limit skill and knowledge and conflict within personal belief. For research, so self-managed team can boost productivity and motivation, but challenge like resistance to change, lack of skill or personal conflict can reduce effectiveness. That's why training and proper support are needed. And the next slide, how to make more team effective. To achieve team effectiveness, teams need to overcome problems to adapt training and evaluation system. The 10-step model used General Electric has proven successful. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are crucial to maintain effectiveness. Key area monitor include team mission, goal achievement, empowerment, open communication, and positive role. And to building stronger team organization can follow structured approach. For example, General Electric use 10 step model focus on missing goal communication, positive role. Constant evaluation is key long-term success. And move to the next slide, growth functional team. Growth functional team to focus has some fights to cross-functional team involve individuals from different departments of specialties. To improve collaboration, organizations must choose members carefully, establish team purpose, ensure understanding, conduct instantial team building, and achieve notable results. Promotion involves setting clear goals, determining hiring criteria, and crafting cooperation system. And cross-functional teams are made up of people from different departments. They improve collaboration and innovation, but only if organizations set clear goals, choose the right people, and provide proper support. And in conclusion, group dynamic explains how people behavior change in a group, while team building is made to make this group and teamwork better. And together, they help organization build trust, collaboration, and high performance. And now my recording have come to an end. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this gives you clear understand of group dynamic and team building. And that's all. Thank you, teacher.